Environmental behaviors. Stanley Black & Decker remains committed to our social responsibility strategy, inspiring makers and innovators to create a more sustainable world. We have a shared responsibility to ensure our actions and operations have minimal impact on the environment. In fact, our goal is to positively impact the environment through operations by minimizing energy consumption, carbon emissions, and waste to landfills, to protect the air we breathe, the water we drink, the ground we walk on. What we do now affects not only us, but will affect our children and their children and generations to come. But what can each of us do to protect the world around us? Consider your role, both at work and at home, in energy conservation, waste reduction, and emergency controls. One of the easiest and most notable ways you can make a positive impact is energy conservation, using less energy in your day-to-day life. Here are a few small tips, which can also save money at work and at home. Always turn off unused equipment and lighting, even for short periods of time, like breaks. Ensure the machinery and equipment that you use is working in the most efficient way. Use automatic programmable thermostats to control the temperature in your home. Open and close windows and doors at appropriate times, based on the outdoor temperatures. Turn off water taps when they are not being used. If you see a leaking tap or pipe at any Stanley Black & Decker facility, report it to the maintenance team so it can be repaired. Dress in layers appropriate for the condition and surrounding. Wear warmer clothes in the winter months and cooler clothes in the summer months. Stanley has a goal of zero waste to landfill. We must all be careful about our waste controls and recycle whenever possible. Follow your on-site recycle program. Ensure your waste is separated and placed into the correct receptacles. If you have any ideas to reduce waste within your work area, discuss them with your supervisor. Keep in mind, when we reduce waste, we may also be reducing the use of raw materials, which saves money and the environment. Chemicals entering drainage systems can have a significant impact on local watercourses and wildlife. Always be familiar with your on-site emergency controls, including emergency procedures and the use of emergency spill kits to control all spills. Never wash chemicals down a drain. Always ensure spills are reported to your line manager so a controlled cleanup can be activated and necessary notifications can be made to local authorities. Protecting the environment is a team effort. Each of us must do our part to conserve energy, recycle when possible, and control chemicals. We all have a responsibility to reduce our environmental impact through the reduction of the things we use, like energy and water, avoiding all wastes, and managing the unavoidable wastes in the best way possible, for our children and their children. As always, if you see anything unsafe or harmful to the environment, be sure to immediately alert your leader. If you see something, say something. It takes the entire team to ensure a culture of safety. And as always, be safe. Safety always.